Okay, we continue. Tutorial video about Python. We create a variable. Like this. I put it in variable value, which is the number. Like this. Then I'll try to show the results by using print command. We'll see the results. Well, the results have appeared like this here. The 19 numbers. Next, I will try to make the same variable as the one above this. This variable is a. Then I will do it, the same variable that is a also. But the variables are different. For example, I made like this. Don't forget, saved by pressing the Ctrl+S key. Then try to RU. Well, here will be shown that first one is value of this variable. The first. Then the second. The second number is the variable value. The second one this one. So even if it's the same variable name, it still works. Without clashing. Like that here. Next. I'll try us. See. The data type. I use command. Type like this. We don't forget we press Ctrl+S. Let's try to RU. Well, the results will look that the data type is the same. The data type is int. If we change this second variable, if you make a text, don't forget yes we give pick2 or pick1, like this. I pressed Ctrl+S. See the results? Well, like that. So the variable, the first, it's the data type. Int the second variable. That's the data type str. Okay, now how about we create the value of the variable that we put in this terminal. It turns out you can do it. I just delete this first. Then this one. I also deleted it first. I did it like this. Well, this I give the value of the variable a. Like this because we want to input it. Use input command. Okay. Well, like this. Don't forget to press Ctrl+S. Well, now let's RU. Well, he will appear. Sign like this, look your guys, yeah. Then we are told to input value. Variables. Then we input, for example, I input numbers. For example, 15. Well, it will appear. Result is that. The first is what we inputted. The second is the result. We have inputted. Well, this is it. What the hell, actually? The data type, right? So it turns out that if we use this input command, then the data types are all. The data type is str. We prove. Yes, I prove it. I use this command, yes. We prove. Is it true that everything we imputed by using input command that the data type is str? Well, now we input it. For example, I input the numbers first, yes. The data type is str. Oh, let me input the text. Well, it turns out the data type is also star. So the conclusion is that when we use input command to input variable values, the data type is str. Be it numbers or fixed text, the same data type is str. I think this is just first my video. Hopefully this video is useful. Thank you.